In this video, we're going to show you to install gas tank straps on your Toyota RAV4 located underneath the vehicle. Underneath the vehicle on the driver's side, you're going to find this plastic cover right here. We're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver, loosen this large retaining cap here. On the tail end right here, there's a plastic retainer button. We're going to use our trim tool. You want to pop this off. Sometimes these are brittle because they're plastic and they've been exposed to the weather. Pop that down, remove that. On the forward side of the plastic cover here, you're going to find a 12mm plastic nut. On our forward strap, we have two 14mm bolts, one inboard, one outboard. We're going to go ahead and apply some heat using our inductor tool. We don't recommend using torches or anything to heat up bolts near the fuel system. Now that we have that warmed up, we'll go ahead and break that free. Let's go ahead and loosen the other side. Now, because this tank is supported by 3 straps, we're going to do 1 strap at a time. Therefore, we're not going to need a gas tank support to hold it. Now, if your original straps have the rubber insulator still on them, we do want to go ahead and swap these over. We have that slid on. Let's go ahead and install it. Go ahead and line up the strap. Make sure you test fit it. Make sure you get it going the right way. We did apply some anti-seize compound to the threads on the bolts. Let's go ahead and gently snug these down. Let's go ahead and move to the middle strap. In order to get to our inboard bolt here on the middle strap, we need to move the drive shaft over a little bit. We have two 14mm bolts, so we're going to loosen these here. I'm just going to pull that to the side with a strap. Now we have a 14mm swivel with an extension here. Now right here we have one of the vapor lines that actually attaches to a plastic retainer, and the retainer attaches to the strap itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this. Set that aside, and we're going to pull back on this here and push up on that vapor tube, and this should unlock it from the retainer here, like so. I'm going to slide this out and remove the strap. We're going to swap over our retainer here. Now, there's 2 little tabs on the top and bottom. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers or just use your pocket screwdriver and just press down on each tab, releasing it, and pull that through. With that removed, remove the insulator, and we'll swap this over. Install the retainer, just push that in, snap it in. install the insulator. Okay, our strap is ready for installation. Gonna line up that strap. Get that bolt started. We're gonna go ahead and install the bolt on the other side, and we'll tighten down our strap. And install your vapor tube. Remove your securing strap. There's going to be a washer that goes on that side. Feed your bolt through. Get that bolt started. I did add some anti-seize compound to the bolt. Washer on the other side. Put your bolt through. Let's go ahead and tighten it down. Make sure that's good and tight. I'm going to use our 10mm socket to go ahead and get this bolt right here. Remove that bolt, and then we'll get the one on the other side. Go ahead and grab that strap and remove that. Going to repeat this process as we did with the other two. Remove the insulator, install it onto the new strap. With the insulator installed, let's go ahead and install the strap. Line up the strap. Get that bolt started. Once it's in a few threads, we can go ahead and get the other bolt in. Let's go ahead and tighten them both down. Line up the e-brake bracket. We're going to get our bolt started up in there. Let's go ahead and snug it down. Install the cover. Line up the stud with that plastic nut here. Just snug that gently. On the back side, install a plastic retainer button. Once you have your button in, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.